shot, me no back from body and me no take back no. Ask Peter. Boom boom, pass up on a back when me cock up me body. I saw me cock up on the bed when me a rock. If we shape feet, no ear no natty natty. Bust it up in a me belly, maki leve maki. Come on, give me now my little. I want beat up my little thing on it. So me have to wind it at the east and put punch shoulder, chop, swap, back shot, lizard, lap kick. Pull up! Alright, now you feeling? You know, I have a lot of new songs. I want to be able to identify my real fans. So let me start by doing this. I'm in a romantic mood. I'm in a romantic mood. Because the boy caught me up in the corner and he material. Alright, my fans them there are Spice Gang. Are you ready to start the show? Teacher, drop it. Go down and a wine and a bubble and but picture does a jump, this a trouble and cause I go up and a couple and a wine up me body and a bubble and body me a wine and a bum. Everybody does a jump and a bum. Waistline, wine pan the body and a sit down. Don't take a picture, yeah, that's your fit. Tell them what. Me a boom it and a catch it and the beat me does a chop it. Oh, me twerk it and a stop it and me stuck it and a pop it and a wind it and a lap it. I picture you fi stop it, fi push it but stop it and bring your body, come here, baby, ride it. Ride it like a bike. Suck up and a sit down and a yes, that's how me like it. Bring your body. Where the dancer there? Where me dancer? What are you here there? And the baseline, me a bust a wine. Four legs together to a we a come. See the round me climb, then me back up me. And I can never do them a style and the designer. Skin out the pum pum. And the body me a wine and a pump and a pum pum. And the body does a jump and a bum 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 bum. So me wine body and a pull up. She alone can dance. We don't have nobody in the crowd that can dance. We don't have nobody from why you say you can't whine? Mama want a girl from anywhere. One know she can't whine on the stage. Mama want a girl from Ayiti. Mama want a girl from Jamaica. Mama want a girl from Trinidad. I wish flag that. Mama want to come represent to where I come from. One. We over this, you can't whine. You with the Jamaica flag, you can't whine. So we the whole of you can't whine. What the Asian them there, you can't whine. Somebody reach on the stage already, so we the whole of, come up on the stage, climb up my man. Climb up, make we represent to where we come from. You can't whine, Fluffy. What? So hold up. Why are you calling them off the stage? No, leave them on the stage. Leave them. Leave them on the stage, but them represent where them come from. Jamaica alone can't represent. We need some other flag. We need some other flag. What if you are from Ayiti? Security will stand up stick for Emily for the woman, you know. We don't help me draw up on the stage. We don't want Jamaica flag alone. Lift her up on this, lift her up. We need some other flag, man. We need some people from Ayiti. We want some people to represent where them come from. We need some more flag. You can't whine. Come represent for your country. Come up on the stage. Which one? You have to represent. So you don't look like the whole heap of people from here today, huh? Ayiti, where you are? Let me see who's represented. What kind of flag there, Mr. Trinidad? As so much honor there. We glad all my flag big. Drop back the same song. Represent for your place. But don't wanna wine and a bubble land. But he tried to set up this a trouble land. But I up and a couple and a wine up the body and a bubble. Skin out the good. But the body me a wine and a bum. Pull up. Hold up, let us do this again. Ladies, we're gonna do it again. But it's one thing, I don't know about you, but I respect my country. You see that flag, you anyone wanna see it, you have to respect it. So ladies, I'm gonna say this to you, we're gonna do it again. Do not put the flag on the floor. Do not put the flag underneath, you know. Do not whine and flash the flag on no crutches. When you wave for the flag, I will not whine. When you walk out by the people that see where I represent from, jump it up again. When you want to whine and have a plan, I teach you how to jump this and jump land. I carry me on. All of you carry me first. You not have a flag, you know. Skin out the boom. Anybody me a whine and a boom. Everybody does a jump and a boom. White on the body and I sit up on it. Walk out with the flag, my girl. Caribbean, around the Caribbean Festival, we are gonna flag. Put me on like a chip and they beat me just a drop it out. We twerk it and on the run when me a map it. We stuck it and a pop it. I want it and a lap it. I picture you pick up it, we a cook it, but chop it on. Yes, that's on me. Bring your body, come down, let me ride it. Me ride it like a bike. Tuck up and a sit down and a pull up. Give it up for your country, I love you. Thank you ladies very much. Thank you very much. I had to start the show that way with each flag waving. I wish flag that you wave. I'm proud to be here from Jamaica. And I know all I want to represent for the country. So I'm going to have to start it that way so we're going to see the flag them and see where I want to come from. Shout the name of your country, let me hear it! Let me hear it! Now I need to get down to business. Me I go for my old fans them. I want to hear my fans them from 2003. The people that will know me before the success. The people that will know me before love and hip hop. Cause you have some girl that must fight over man and the man no want them. So me I go back in the past. Me I go to the old song them and the new song them. But this has to be day one fans them. Me I talk about the girl that knows that the man can't stress you. The man can't make you walk and fight over the man. But drop him and make the girl them talk. No one see me fans them from 2003. And every girl ever know the song ya. When you ready? Me is a girl, me no. Family come it up. The girl on the walking. After that it turned 2 times. Me no hear you know. And everybody knows that we are. When me and wine, you get the wicked Islam. But sorry, see the girl about the wine now. But if you brought me up, my walk is a me that. You pray that the big matter what this year. I put it on and send him home and make him a breeder. We don't send me no regular coming out. Oh, you are girl and a fight over Tilly. Them and them a request me coming. When the bad man them they know. Me talk to the real bad man them when they know say the boy can't do stand up in front of you. The real bad man them, one of them. Let me hear you. Well, let me see you do it. Come up here with a bus a shot in the ear. You're the pool. Pull up. When I take off my shoes, I don't know what time it is. When I call for intermission and I take off my shoes, y'all know what time it is. We need a nice, sexy man on the stage. And the man I say I represent for somewhere good. A nice, strong body man I want. So when you don't see me take me, I want a marker book. I woof a man this. I woof a man this. Where you from?
Haiti.
Them say a Caribbean African festival, so like how him come from Ayiti, we need a next man from somewhere else. And this is going to be a competition in the morning, yeah. We never get a man from Ayiti yet, you know. So make sure you don't come up here, come flop.
African them there too.
Where you say African them there too?
Yeah, Nigeria them over.
We don't see nobody I represent. I walk one. We need a nice set. What the African them shy them over the corner, but I be a shy man.
Back home.
Looks like no man I come from Africa. We need a next man, a big competition of one. This looks like a big competition. Where you from?
Nigeria.
So we have a man from Haiti and we have one from Nigeria. Who not bring nothing back for one of them man here? Intermission, you know I'm tying my shoes lace because you know I'm not dancing at the big boat. What the British you want to take on one of them man here? You can't manage.
Who make for the Haitian say Haitian? Who's spending on the Haitian say Haitian? Who make for the African say African? Spice, remember the last.
You have to make sure the shoes tight so we're not trapped. What is your name?
Rashid.
Rashid is from Nigeria. What you do video this? Oh, so you come prepared. What is your name?
DJ Heavy.
Wanna bet on one of them? Looks like deceiving. I make them muscle you get to know because some of them can't do nothing at all. Some of them make them fool on you. Looks like deceiving. Roll out the sheet. Where the sheet then? I want the African to go first.
I know you like the way I wind between the sheets. Baby, come over, let me scream and grab the sheet.
Stop me tonight when we tear up the sheet. Beat up me back from underneath. So me ever do it when me under the sheet. Tight up me lip and I tear up the sheet. Scream and I say, who beat me there straight? Me not the old and I don't think me not that head. Stop me tonight when we pull up. Now you're lazy man, you have to get up on the boom, you have to get up and walk, you know. I mean you want to do the whole of the work. That was round one. Stand up right here, son. That was round one. Wanna get a taste of the African. Now we are going for the Haitian. Roll it back again.
I know you like the way I wind between the sheets. Baby, come over, let me scream and grab the sheets.
Stop it tonight when you tear up the sheet. Beat up my fat pum underneath. So we ever do it when you under the sheet. Bite up my lip and I tear up the sheet. The man I say me smell this in the shade. Me nah no hold and I don't think it's that name. Stop it tonight when you tear up the sheet. Beat up my fat pum underneath. Man tell me like a pum. It like how me bubble a wine in the sheet. So we ever do it when you stop all with me under the. So we ever. Right on to the hand of the sheet. We go down like a tiny and we are the streets of it.
Make sure y'all follow me on the gram at DJ Heavy the Movie. Right, Team Invasion family, we here.
What it goes among them there? And every girl grab a man, man to man. Over the top, all when I night. Make sure you know if you walk and not chat your chat. Over the top, me cocky longer. When you want to ram it hard, the cocky not be light. That means if it's right not become. So if you put it on it, can you take it on it? Me nipple them alright, send it up in a me. Titty up it tight, every nipple get up. Me man a figure see me and him a figure. Call me up. Deal with your breast like the crushing Irish. You are my mister. Deal with the cocky. And when you are gone, no, I say, cocky no play. Me will broke your back. Me will quit it up 2 times and pop you. When you come in on a ramping, me will make you run out of the house in a half a frack. I can never whine pon it and give you a heart attack. But now let you go. My tooth wanna ring. Come here if you whine pon it. Deal with your breast like the crushing Irish. No, me see ya. You are my miss. Kill me with the tightness. Whisper something like I can't stop fucking you. Back in the play. Me we broke your back. Me we quit it up 2 times and pop your card. Me we make you run out of me house in a half a frack. I can never whine pon it and give you a heart attack. Free the world, boss! What it got to concept there? Man to man, girl to girl. Scan them all when a night. When you're coming on a ramping, you walk on and chat your chat. Pull it up! Ladies! There's only one rule when you come to my show. We don't have a lot of rules, we just have one rule. Do you know what the rule is? Do you know what the rule is? What's the rule? What's the rule? There's only one rule. Every woman has to whine. Every woman has to be jumping and whining. Every woman has to bend over like this. Now, apart from the one rule, there's only one excuse. If you stand up with your foot shut like this, it's because you hold down the center and you don't want to open up too wide. Drop this down. The ladies want to wind up their breasts. Open up the vision. Ladies, every woman bend over right now. I got this thing round my car. We're going to shake it up like a... Let's put it right, move that in it. Pull up. I didn't think they hear the rule. I don't think you hear the rule. I don't think you hear the excuse. Did you hear the rule? All you ladies, make some space beside you. Make some space. You pay your money, come in here, you pay to come wine and dance. Make some space. If somebody eats up beside you, say, give me some way. When you make the space, bend over like this. All you ladies, all who can't bend over, we know why. Every woman feel wine. Now, I got this thing round about ya. We're going to shake it up like a... Let's do the right move like it. Vibrate it like a snake wheel. Quick to the left, make it jump to the right. Make your body start jump. Indicate somebody firm on. You put the big like 60. Over your soul. Left side of jump, right side of jump. Bumper ya go convert down. Take your mind change when inside the black jump. Hey, watch out, I'm going to sit down with it. Come on me about the bumper jump. Indicator, them watch how me do it. Go to color to catch it. Bumper jumping, watch all my bumper jumping. Bumper jumping, body my bumper jumping. Bumper jumping, indicator bumper. Bumper jumping, body my. Watch out, me make body jump and a vibrate. Boom boom to right in. Indicator make it jump and shake. Put your act like a cake for ya. Indicator make it jump like that. Jump up like that, make it jump like. Sometimes I do this, then tell you. Indicator make it. Jump up, blink up like indicator light. Now to the left, make it jump to the right. Move it like indicator light. To the left, make it jump to the right. Hey, watch out, me go sit down. Come on, you have a bumper a jump in it. Indicator them watch out, me do it. Bumper jumping, watch all my bumper jumping. Bumper jumping, what is my bumper jumping? Bumper jumping. I got this thing round the backyard. We don't shake it up like a shake. Let's put it right move like in it. I rate it like a pull up. Vice Cartel have a song in Jamaica. It's called Underwater, me hood underwater, underwater, me thing on. Now me make one for the big, strong body man then. Cause I know every man can make you run to cool it down. Right? So if the man they make you underwater, when the something reach and it a burn you, you know you go under far. Drop the rhythm. The boy a catch me on the corner upon me head. All him a send it me a ball me outfit. The boy a beat it like a hammer upon the lead. The way about me tear the sheet up on the bed. Under fire me hold under. Body about me and him still a push it higher. Under fire me. La 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 love it when him rim it and him ram it. The way how him a slam it about me still a jam it. He deal with me so crabby but me love it like a. Upon him with me hold like a.